There are so many tragedies happening all over the world. It brings plenty of unhappiness that is not deniable. I was sitting in my room complaining, God, why have you made life so intolerable and set us between four walls where we are risking of becoming depressed couch potato waiting for the tide to turn over? Lost in conversation, just talking to myself, lying on a bed, knowing it's true that you didn't cause all those problems. To talk a little while, I need you to listen to my anxieties and sorrows. Hello, God, I called him last night. I know some people mocked and find it hard to believe that a conversation with God is very easy to achieve. I believe God communicates with us all, no matter what we do. God communicates not with a shout, but the words may be heard through the song that we hear, sometimes a film or a book that just comes to a hand is also meant to be the God's answer. So coming back, I never got a busy signal to my call. And his wonderful words that instantly struck me with its meditative tone are,
I blessed the kids as they always wished to have no school and could play the whole day. I blessed women across the world as they always prayed for the undivided attention for their husbands. I blessed husbands as they always complained of traffic and wished to work from home. I blessed working moms as they wanted to spend the quality time with their kids and do the lots of stuff being at home. I blessed students as they always wished they had no exam. I blessed oldies at home as they always wished that their kids spend quality time with them, talking and understanding them. I blessed an entrepreneur as he slogged too much and always wanted for a break from a busy schedule. I blessed every second employee who always said, I have no life of my own, I wish I could relax. Lastly, I blessed Earth who cried out loud and said, I wish I could get a break from all this pollution, shitty waste and chaos.
logged in, locked down. I breathe in the silence. And what I find refreshing and hopeful about this wonderful response is the God's brand new way of clearing all the backlog of prayers of his devotees and fulfilling everyone's long awaited desires. Many of us are bored, miss our daily routines, and frustrated about staying indoors all the time. It is completely normal to feel like this way, as it is in our nature to go out and socialize with other people. But what we don't seem to have realized is that there is a plus side to being in lockdown. With parents working from home and kids not having to go to school, this is the best time to bond as a family. As parents gets involved in homeschooling, they start to understand what their kids are learning in school, what their difficulties are, and how can they help them. Partners also have more time to do fun stuff like play board games, cook meals, do art and craft, and much more. In the end, I thank God for listening to my call and guiding me a good escape from this sorrow and anxiety by realizing that this time together is a great way to relieve stress and improve mental health for all of us.